Hello, my name is Udhipa Sohan and my student number is 22 50 39 013. In this task, I analyze the YouTube video data related to the topic of global warming, focusing on the videos published by the popular English news channels such as Fox News, BBC News, CNN, ABC, and Sky News. The objective was to extract meaningful insights using Python by cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing the data. And I answered the questions from E1 and one from the section E2 as part of my analysis. And for this, I first run the imports here, and for the output you can see the package already up to date, and then I can run the whole code. For the cleaning part, I have imported the CSV files that contain the video data that I have collected. You can see here to collected the data beforehand, and then you can see here. So I have already imported the file here, the CSV files, and first I remove the view count, like count, and comment counts, the missing values of these uh, columns, and then I converted these columns into the integer type, and after that I converted the a publish at column to date time format, so I could analyze publishing trends over time. And I also created new columns such as year and month from the published date, which help me group and plot data chronologically. And these cleaning steps were essential to make the data consistent and analyze ready. And then I have done the question E1.1, and for that I started by analyzing the distributions of the video views and comments. I created three histograms side by side, each overlaid with the kernel density estimated. These visualizations reveal that all the three metrics were heavily right skewed. Uh, uh, right skewed, and small number of videos had extremely high engagement, while the majority had low views and interactions. This common pattern in digital content where viral videos skew the overall distribution. And for the next question, I have picked one E1.6. For that, I calculated the like view ratio for each video and identified the top performing content in terms of the engagements, and I filter out the videos with 0 views to avoid errors, and then sorted the data set by the ratio, and I displayed the top 5 videos along with their names, title, view count, like count, and the ratio and the link URL as well. And the videos with the highest ratio weren't necessarily the most viewed, but they had a very strong positive response from their viewers, which was interesting to observe. And for the next part, I have did E2.4, and for this I analyze how the number of comments and likes varied across the across the news channels, and I removed outliners by excluding the top 1% of data points to make the distribution clearer, and I use block box plots, uh, as you can see here, to compare the distribution of the comments like counts for each channel. The visualization showed that the CNN, ABC, and Sky News had high median engagement, while BBC and Fox News had more consistent but slightly lower numbers. This gave a good idea of how audience response varied by the publisher. And as for the that's it for my coding part. And as for the challenges I face, they identifying the correct column names, as they didn't exactly match what was shown in some examples. So I resolved this by printing out the list of columns and adjusting my codes accordingly. And another challenge was dealing with some extreme outliners, which made it bit hard to interrupt visualizations. And I fixed this by filtering the top 1% using quantile thresholds, and this helped me to resolve my challenges accurately and without interrupting. And that's it for my presentation. I hope this fits all the requirements, and thanks for listening.